Hello, I'm Archie. Welcome to Head2Head Sensory Theatre YouTube channel. This is a craft activity to accompany our film, Odie's Odyssey. Please join Beatrice to see how to make a piggy nose.
Hello, my name is Beatrice and I play Odie in Head2Head Sensory Theatre's production of Odie's Odyssey. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a piggy nose for when we meet a special character called Circe. And that is how you make a piggy nose. You can, depending on how it fits, also pop in some, these are just normal cotton pads, of 2, and you can pop them inside like so, so that, there we go, it's a bit more sticky outy. Ta-da! And there you have some piggy noses.
Thank you for joining us. Bye!